Well, hey EVTV, here's Anne Kloppenborg with the EVTV-Amsterdam update. This week I am still in that eBeetle, and it was the week of the eBeetle adventures. You know how Jack's often said, like, I know the box will fit if I can just get it into the car? Well, it was one of those weeks here at the Amsterdam EV warehouse. We got it all in, and I'm going to show you, but it was a battle for sure. Raymond lost some sleep, but he's a happy chappy again. Let's take a look. So Ray, it seems like they're in.
After some sleepless nights, but finally I can sleep now.
Yeah.
No, but looks good.
It looks very nice. Absolutely.
And hope the hood. Yeah, this is the hood, huh?
Yeah, the hood. The hood will fit.
Will fit. But
We know it
we have the
fits.
final test at the end of the day.
But look at this Beetle sporting a nice double row of Nissan cells. Well, a couple more volts in the back. This baby will be back on the road. Shiny new cells. Well done, Ray. It's a thumbs up.
On my shoulders make the lines all broken truth. You stop stalling, oh, stop stalling. We can start starting again. We can start starting again. 'Cause it's so easy.
Okay guys, spent the better part of the last 2 weeks converting this already converted Beetle from first run lithium iron phosphate to the very latest and greatest in, what is it? Manganese oxide spinel. Anyways, the Nissan Leaf cells. This will make it into the show if it doesn't explode on me.
Eventuele notes. Switch.
Nu is het dus aan. Nu is het niet echt iets, nu gaat er iets aan.
Ja.
Contactor is ook gegooid door de...
Ik hoor de tik-tik.
Zodat deze is niet aangekomen, dat is misschien die...
Oh, je draadje.
Ja. Terug gaan. Strooidraad is misschien deze.
Ja.
Maar... de motor niet gaan. Ik heb nog even geen display.
Nee, oké, maar die...
Een stukje rijden? So, nothing's exploding. The motor's working. And we're being very careful. We don't have our display. It's the 112 volt lead that we left out.
Ik heb dat bankje daar.
Ik heb ze hier. Kijk.
Wacht, ik ga even de bankje achter.
Yeah, so, the very first time we turn it on, take 2. Just have it full. ...338 volts. Start signal. Close the door. And, see you later, alligator.
Dan.
Ja, dan moet hij.
Zo. Oh, dat is...
Dat is de start signal.
Oké.
Ja, dus eigenlijk proberen helemaal zonder de koppeling te werken. Die,
Zo, er mag wel wat smeren op. Leuk man. Het is voor het eerst dat ik in Nederland met een...
Is this your first EV drive in Holland?
Ja.
Seriously? Oh my god. Toot toot. Raymond Derkhoff builds electric speedboats, builds electric cars, never driven an electric car in Holland. Here you go, man. Woot woot. Nissan Leaf cells in the back, Nissan Leaf cells in the front. Raymond as driver. Doing a flyby. Woot woot. We could get used to this. Huh? Successful EV projects. So we're at 336 volts. Give it some oomph. Doesn't go below 320.
Nou ja.
Now I'll do the amps. 30. Straight away. Straight away. 70, 80, 100.
Nou, dat is 100 makkelijk aan.
Ja, nou, 180 is de max die ik gezet heb. Dat is conservatief.
Ah, oké.
Okay, nog eentje de oomph. One man, I don't have to tell how the car works. It's his car!
So, there we go again.
There we go again. Fresh as a beetle. With Japanese power.
Nice up.
So now I've put it on 180 amps at 300 and something volts, 600 amps on the motor side at 172 volts. So basically she should have 90 kilowatts, which is 120, 130 horsepower.
Yeah.
Much more than the original for only a little bit more weight. And we can set her a little more aggressively if that feels better. Yeah? It's just a starter.
Yeah. Should be more aggressive.
Yeah, okay, good. We'll get back to the shop and we can do that right away. So you're doing, how long did you have this Beetle before?
So it's 4 years now.
4 years. And you did probably how many kilometers in that time?
I guess about 30
30,000.
30,000, okay.
30,000,
Yeah.
And I always intended to change the battery packs after 4 years or something.
Right.
Perfect opportunity this.
Absolutely, and that's the fun thing, that here these cells, they came out of a factory in Japan, intended to live a life in the Israeli desert in the back of some Renault. And then unbeknownst to them, their company goes belly up, they get shipped to America, they get shipped to Europe, they get put into this cute old Beetle. What a lucky pack.
What a lucky pack. Yeah. Perfect, perfect.
Good stuff, man. Okay, then within 5 minutes I can set it to more amps. The pack is literally at half of the amps that the spec allows. So let's do that right away and give you that EV Grin that you're looking for.
It's never been gone.
No.
Perfect.
So, giving the Beetle some more battery amps and some more motor amps should result in some more EV Grin for Mr. Jeroen Meinders. Yeah, that's the one. The other car. Non-EV Grin, but Grin nonetheless. Well, there you have it. Our converted Beetle, converted successfully now to Japanese Nissan Leaf cells. We have to do some final fitment and get that final range dialed in with the Expert Pro Xantrax meter, which already had the right pre-scaler, so we have the right system voltages and amps. They're all in there. We're very satisfied how this project came out, but it was definitely more hours than I had envisioned. So no Delta driving this week, even though we do have the weather. And next week should be very good for Delta driving, also for cabin cruising building. I'll take you around the installation. We may put her in reverse. That should be here. Start the motor. And let's see if I don't drive over my camera. See you later, folks. So in the front we have 2 banks. And then over in the rear we have a single bank and a new Chenik 350 volt 800 watt output DC-DC converter, ready to pump out the watts for a new audio system that will be installed soon. There she is, one eBeetle, ready to go back out on the road. Hey guys, from Amsterdam, here's to y'all keep building. We're gonna keep building. Got a lot of projects waiting for us. See y'all next week. Bye-bye.